Well, hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. I'm sitting here making some wire beads with wood beads, 8 millimeter wood beads on them. They're the same type of wire beads that I made in that other video. The only difference is I'm adding some wood beads to these. So I was making the wire beads to go with this pendant. So I'm making some wire beads to go with this pendant, and some painted beads that I painted, to make this necklace. So I was sitting there thinking, I'm like, well, I don't want the wire plain. I just don't want that. As I began to put the necklace together, I'm like, okay, I don't want that. I want something different. So I said, well, let me try these little 8 millimeter beads, right? So this is what I did: the wire with the little 8 millimeter beads, and it's just like doing those other beads. And I cut 16-inch wire, and I am going to do this with let's do it with some of the future beads. And everything you see on this table right here is a project that I am working on all at one time. So I'm trying to, work on a lot of, a lot of pieces and stuff, because my plan is to do the Santee Street Fair in May, and then to do a couple of events, of course, in June, and then also do that Soul Swap meet in May. So I'm working on a lot of product. So let's do this, and it's the same way that I did the other video. So I have my little paint pen, and I'll take the wire, hold it against here with my finger, against the paint pen with my finger, and I'm gonna just begin to wrap the wire in just different directions. And this time, as I wrap the wire, I'm gonna loosen up a bead. I'm gonna let the bead just run loose, and I'm going in different directions. I'm gonna release another bead, and then come across up here, then go around down there, and then come up here, release a bead, and then up here at the top is where I want to close it off. So we'll do that right here and here. And then let me see how this comes out, because, okay, so it did roll back down, and that's good because I do have to close this part off. So I'm going to just take it, just roll it close, because I wanted to at least have a little hole where I can put the wire through, in addition to it going through all the rest of this wire. So just try to close that in. And I might even have to do it to where, wait, let me see something. If I can do it. And then really close it in, like right here in the middle, right between the beads. And I can do that if I kind of put it down here. So either way, the wire will go through the wire, and it'll be able to stay on the wire, and it won't come off. So then I'm going to just close this end off. Nice little closure. And then putting it right in the middle right there. So then I get a bead that I can thread on some wire like this. So the idea is to be able to bead these with these painted beads that I have, because I got an idea for something. So it'll be these beads, as you can see. I like them. I really like them. And then this is the pendant that I made. So I made a quick little nice pendant. And I'm going to actually put the pendant on. And then I got some painted beads and some other stuff I'm going to use. So that's the pendant I'm going to use. And these are the beads that I made, the wire beads. And I think I kind of like these a little bit better than the wire with no beads on them. So I'm going to make a lot of these real quick, just using the black wire in all different colors. And then I will come back with that video showing the necklace. Just something simple, something easy. And then for me though, the idea in making jewelry is I want my pieces absolutely positively as unique and different as I could possibly get them. And a lot of times I'll be sitting here thinking, I'm like, well, what can I do to make my piece just different, like really stand out? Like, something almost strange in a way, like something you would see red carpet, you would see on the red carpet, or you would see in, like some real fancy movie or something. That'd be my thought when I be sitting here making stuff. But I do like the way these wires, not wires, but these wire beads came out. I like these. But I'm getting ready to make more of these. And I shall return. Darlene Knight with Jewelry by BDK, and we'll talk soon.